Dear students, last class we are discussing regarding the what cubic lattice ಅಥವಾ lat unit cell ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. In that types of unit cell there are 7 primitive unit cells are there. Okay, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದು cubic lattice. Okay, cubic. What is the meaning of cubic lattice ಅಥವಾ cubic unit cell? That means the unit cell is the smallest portion of what crystal lattice. ಒಂದು crystal lattice ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that's the smallest portion is known as unit cell. In that unit cell there are 6 parameters are there: alpha, beta and gamma. These three are angles A, B and C. These three are the edges. Okay, edges ಮತ್ತೆ angle ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಇರ್ತದೆ. In that alpha, beta, what is the nature of units of simple cubic lattice? Cubic lattice ನ nature ಏನು? Alpha, beta, gamma that's equal to 90 degree. Alpha, beta, gamma that's equal to 90 degree and all three edges are equal. That is what units are. Or simple cubic. That is simple cubic. In that simple cubic, how many atoms are present? Okay, ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಟಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾವು ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. and you know the concept in the last previous session. What is that? In a simple cubic again 3 variations are possible. There are 3 variations are possible, which are the simple cubic or primitive cell and face centered and body centered. There are 3 variations. So simple cubic ಅಥವಾ primitive, body centered and face centered. First we'll move for the number of atom present in a unit cell. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡಬೇಕು? That's regarding the primitive cell. Primitive unit cell or simple cubic. Okay, simple cubic ಅಥವಾ primitive, both are same. Now here primitive means what? I recall once again, what is that? Primitive means there are constituent atom present in a unit cell. You know, okay, ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ? ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳುವುದೇನು? Again primitive, body centered or face centered. Now primitive means what? Constituent atom present only at the corners. ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ that is primitive unit cell. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. Only at the corner ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದ್ರೆ that is primitive cell. Now in this concept today's session we'll concentrate only number of atoms. ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ crystal lattice means of rearrangement or regular arrangement of the unit cells one by one ಹೀಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. that is what crystal lattice. In that cubic lattice ಅಥವಾ simple cubic ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ only one portion. unit cell ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ only this is the unit cell. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಟಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು explain this concept, you must know the what the 3-dimensional geometry of one atom. Okay, 3-dimensional geometry of one atom. Now here just see this figure, it's in crystal lattice. Okay, again here also atoms will come. Now I'll concentrate only one unit cell. ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಇನ್ 3-dimensional geometry. 3-dimensional geometry ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಹಿಯರ್ there are one constituent atom. Just concentrate on what? Center molecule. Center molecule na concentrate ಮಾಡಿ. What is that? Here this atom will bonded with the there are 8 unit cells. Okay, here one unit cell. Okay, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ adjacent ಆಗಿ only concentrate this atom. Now it is in central atom. There are 4 at the upper face and 4 at the lower face. There are 8 unit cells are attached to the single atom. Okay, and constant atom particle I already told present only at the corner. That's why it is a primitive cell. Okay, and each atom belongs to how many unit cells? Each atom belongs to 8 unit cells. Okay, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಆಟಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಎಷ್ಟು adjacent unit cell ಗೆ 8 adjacent unit cell ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. and total number of what constituent particle in a primitive cell, that is 8. Okay, ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಟಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಗೆ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇರ್ತದೆ? ದಟ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 adjacent ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಆಟಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, 8 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ that atom belongs to ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಆಟಮು ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಒನ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್, ಒಂದು ಆರೆಂಜನ್ನ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಟ್ ಇನ್ 4 pieces. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಈ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 2 halves. ಅಗೈನ್ cut like this, it becomes 4. Now one orange cut in this direction. Okay, one is like this and the one like this. Now it becomes 4 pieces, right? 4 pieces. Then again cut in a horizontal. First 2 are in a vertical and one more horizontal. Then we can say one orange cut into 8 piece. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1 piece value ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? That's equal to 1/8. Is it right? Yes. Now cut into 2 half in a vertical direction and 1 horizontal. Now the one atom ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು piece orange ನ value ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? That is 1/8 because there are 8 pieces are there. Okay, 8 piece ಆಗಿ cut ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Same thing here also. Same thing we should apply here also. Now it is an orange. ಇದೊಂದು ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಆದರೆ first we'll take this face, cut into 2 halves. Then second like this. Okay, 4 ಆಯಿತು. Then cut in middle face. Okay, now it becomes 8. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಆಟಮಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್. ನಾವು ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? ದಟ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1/8. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1/8. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈಚ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಟಮ್ನ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 1/8. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ total number of pieces ಅಥವಾ total number of constant atom and number of contribution of each unit ಅಥವಾ each constituent atom. That is 1/8 total number of atoms in simple cubic. Okay, simple cubic, that's 1/8 is the contribution of single constant atom. Here 8 means what? There are 8 atoms are present in a simple or primitive unit cell. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, one more behind that 8 constant atom present in this unit cell. That's why 1/8 into 8, that's equal to 1, which is very important for what? 2 mark question or 1 mark question. Okay, either it may ask for 1 mark question or 2 mark question. If they ask for 2 mark question, we should derive this. If they ask 1 mark question, just write number of atoms ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಪ್ರಿಮಿಟಿವ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಿಮಿಟಿವ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 atoms are present. Okay, next type of what? Variations, that is body centered unit cell, body centered unit cell or BCC. BCC stands for body center cubic lattice. Okay, BCC stands for body center cubic lattice. In that, how many atoms are present in each unit cell? ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಟಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now first of all you should know the concept of what? Body center unit lattice. What is the meaning of body center unit lattice? Here there are 8 atoms at the corner. Total number of atom 2 types only. Here what is that? One is at the corner and the other the center of the unit cell. Okay, corner ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದೆ? ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್. ಹೇಗಿರ್ತದೆ? Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, one behind that is at the corner. These are what? Corner atoms. One more is behind that. This is 3-dimensional geometry. ಹಾಗಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. And where the face center ಅಥವಾ body centered cubic lattice crystal ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದೆ? In a center only. This is the body center constituent atoms. 8 at the corner, 1 at the center of the body. Okay, next total number of corner atoms you already know, that is 8. Okay, there are 8 corner atoms are present and one more at the body center. Total number of body centered is 2. Now go for the contributions. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ you can easily derive that. Okay, so you know here again it belongs to 8 atoms at the corner, same as the primitive ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು assumption ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ same thing you should have assumption in this body centered also. In this body centered also again cut into 8 halves. ಒಂದು constant atom into ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ನ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ 1/8. ಸೊ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, one more behind that. Okay, total 7. So total 8 is there. Out of 8, 1 atom in a proportionality is 2, that is 1 by 8. Contribution should be 1 by 8. Now go for the body center. Okay, so each unit cell central. Now it is an unit cell. Body center proportionality is there, that is complete constant atom present in each unit cell. Each unit cell allo body centered constant atom should be present as it is. There is no contribution is any other unit cell. ಬೇರೆ ಹತ್ತಿರದ unit cell ಗೆ contribution ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. That should be on single. Only one complete atom present at the body center. Now the last we'll go for the total number of atoms in BCC ಅಥವಾ ಬಾಡಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್. ಬಾಡಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ 1 by 8 into 8. What is stands for the corner atoms? It stands for corner atom. And here 1 into 1. 1 is a contribution. Body center contribution is to complete 1 atom. How many body center atom is present? 1. So 1 into 1. So ನಮಗೆ total number of atoms ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Sum of the both body centered as well as corner. So 1 by 8 it becomes 1. 8 get cancelled. It becomes 1. 1 into 1 1. Now total number of atoms ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? That's equal to 2. Only 2 atoms present in each unit cell. Now discussing only regarding the each unit cell ಅಥವಾ per unit cell. Per unit cell. ಯಾವ unit cell? Which unit cell? That should be body center. What is that? Body center ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು unit atom present ಇರ್ತದೆ? That's equal to 2 only. That is about what? Body center. You should remember this also ask for 2 mark question or 1 mark question. You should remember total number of atoms ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ and how to solve that. Okay, this is about what? Body center unit cell. Next we'll move for the next type variation. That's the last type. What is that? Face centered. Okay, face centered unit lattice, or we can say it is an FCC. Abbreviation form. What is that? Face center cubic lattice, FCC. Okay, just imagine what are the constant atom present in this simple cubic ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಪ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ? ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 types. What are they? 8 at the corner and 6 at 6 faces. Okay, so center of the each faces, and you know cubic lattice having 6 faces. Cubic lattice having 6 faces, each face having one constituent atoms. Each face having one constituent atom. That's why there are 6 face centered, 8 corner atoms are present. Okay, this is a 3-dimensional geometry, and here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, one more behind that are what? Corner atoms. And each face, now this is one face, one more face and upper face. We can show only 3 faces, 1 2 3. Okay, rest 3 are behind that. ಉಳಿದದೇನು ಅದರ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Now 1 2 3, again 3 faces are there, plus 3, 6 face center. Now you know the constant atom present at each face and corner, and how many corner atoms? 8 corner atoms are present. How many face centered atoms are there? There are 6. And again contribution, come for the contribution. What is that? Each corner atom contribute to how many units? Contribute to unit cell. Each unit cell ಗೆ ಒಂದು atom ನ contribution ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, that's equal to 1 by 8 for corner. That should be constant. 1 by 8 ಇರ್ತದೆ. That's equal to 1 by 8. Now go for the face center. Now I'll extend this. Okay, one more unit cell present here. Okay, one more unit cell present here. Just concentrate on this face. Just concentrate on this face. Now if atom present at what? This face. Now tell me, here it's a constant atom. Here it's a constant atom. This atom belongs to how many unit cell? So maximum number unit cell, that's equal to 1, here 2. So just see, ಈ ಎರಡು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಟಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್. ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಆಟಮ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. This will not contribute with the any other except 2 unit cells. One is this and adjacent to this. Hagadre, what is the contribution? Just cut into half. This constituent atom will cut into 2 part only, then it becomes 1 by 2. 1 by 2. That's the each face centered atom contribute to unit cell. Each unit cell, that's equal to 1 by 8. Now total number of atom we can easily calculate. Okay, first we'll move for the corner, then go for the what, face centered. Okay, now here corner atom already 2 times repeated, 1 by 8 into 8. That means contribution into total number of corner atom, 8 by 8 it becomes 1. Then half means what? Face centered atom contribute to 2 only. That's why 2 is the capacity of what? This atom. Idu matra innorda innondu unit cell ige. Total number of face centered atoms estirtade? There are 6 only. Half into 6 becomes 3. So 1 plus 3, that's equal to 4. This is the total number of atoms present in a what? Total number of atoms present in a one face centered unit cell. One face centered unit cell, athwa one face centered cubic lattice. We discuss only regarding the what? Simple cubic. Again 3 variation: primitive, simple cubic, primitive, body centered and face center. In a primitive or simple cubic, how many atoms are present? Only 1, because corner atom matra present irtade, hagagi only 1 atom present in each unit cell. One unit cell ge matra heluvanthadu. Then face center athwa body center. Again body center alli again 2 8 corner atom irtade, adu contribution 1 by 8. 1 by 8 into 8 plus 1, 2 only. And face center, there are 4 atoms present at the each unit cell. Okay, this is about today's session. Next session we will continue with the next concept. Thank you.